yeah. And that's it. So I saw something super cool on somebody's post of their boho locks on Instagram, and basically what they had done on one lock, they'd used the jewel kits to create what looked like a lock wrap, and it just looked so cool. So that's what I'm going to attempt to try and replicate for you today. So in the jewel packs we have between 25 to 30 locks depending on which set you have, and there's just various different things. There's beads, there's gold, there's colors, there's shells, everything in here. So I'm going to try and recreate what I saw on the gram because it was cute, man. So here goes. She kind of did it on an underneath lock, so it just looked good, man. I mean, I probably won't be able to do it justice, but it looked brilliant. So big shout out. So we're gonna go gold first, and then I'm actually gonna do gold again, I think. Let's do it. Let's go gold. I'm gonna use this one next, the tube-ish one. Doesn't actually need a crochet needle. Just gonna open that up, put that one on next. So I'm gonna go in with the light brown bead. Awesome. Loving it. I'm gonna go in with another gold tube, I think. I am freestyling. I haven't planned this in my head, so here's to praying that it does look good. But I'm taking inspiration from my clients because you guys are amazing. So I'm gonna go in with that now. It's starting to form. See, it's starting to look like a jewel. It's cool, isn't it? Oh, sorry, I'm so excited about this. I saw it and I was like, she's onto something. So I'm gonna now do a dark one, a dark bead. I mean, there's so many jewels in here. You could probably just do what you want because there's colors, there's rings, there's hoops, there's all sorts going on. But I'm gonna try and try it like this, like wood and gold. I think is a nice combo too. So we've got so far, and then I'm just gonna repeat this pattern underneath so it just looks like it's a complete design. Yeah, and that's it, and I'm loving it because it looks like an actual long jewel or something like that. I don't know, I saw it on one customer and I was just like, I love it. Let me share something else with you that's really exciting, actually. Look how much you've still got left. So you've still got 3 beads, 4 shells, 10 rings, 4 colored jewels and gold string. Who's to say that you couldn't also do like something on the other side? So maybe you could use the tie and you could then wrap it, and then you could put the beads, and then you could put the shells, and you could wrap it some more. I'm realizing that you can get absolutely way more creative with these, because what I was doing, I was just like dotting them around, but I also like this when you actually create something like a signature piece. So I'm going to challenge you guys to have fun with your Boho Locs jewels. Have fun. Try and make some like organized hair jewel, beady type looking things, because I think they look really cool. They definitely stand out. And yeah, it's just another way for you to have fun with your Boho Locs. So thank you for watching, and I hope everyone's having a great day.